and he returned to KV2 Settipalli on 1st May 1993, where he served up to 1st July 2002, where he has superannuated. May God shower on him his copious blessings, and he should always remain evergreen and inspire us, motivate us, like Subrala sir, Chandrasekhar, and Narayan Swami sir, and all the other non-teaching faculty. I am ever so grateful to the school.
We used to plead with him, please tell us what the basic iron and the acidic iron is, he would never reveal. I request Mr. Veer Lakshman Singh Garu to come and present a memento to him.
Because I was a BPC student, having done my BSc, though I had told you that I was a professor of English. And even today, my interests lie with chemistry foremost. Thanks to Amrutali madam and thanks to you, sir. Not a year passes without a couple of PhDs in chemistry being done by Sukumar sir or myself. And so also in physics and all the other subjects in the university. This opportunity has been provided because of the facility of providing us with all the paraphernalia, apparatus, timely, the gravimetric, volumetric, analytical part and procedures and manuals that were made available to us promptly. So Venkat Munikaru, I wish you very long, happy, prosperous life, and may you inspire and motivate the younger generation students. May I have your attention? See, look before you, the stalwarts, right from the teaching to the non-teaching. Each one is a doyen, and I think we had the best of all the worlds, and this is the most memorable moment which we shall cherish in our lives. You shall also recall these days in days to come. Thank you.
He is a senior person, so we wish to honor him by inviting him here. Thank you, Mr. Bayappan. Present a small memento.
For us to keep away. See, there are so many activities, not only as an art teacher, but even on the school day functions. Sudananda Garu was a great help to all of us. We do wish the family to remember that we do remember your father.
The Integrity Club, and she has made innovative approaches like PowerPoint presentations, and in getting up this function, she has spared no pains, left no stone unturned, and she has been a very silent worker, inspiring and motivating every student here. So kudos to Sudanandam sir and his progeny, and foremost Sandhya.
2 books have been written by me, and I almost threw a challenge. I said if a student genuinely reads it and he doesn't understand, then I'm the failure. They are not the failure. I've also worked on making some presentations. These are Microsoft PowerPoint presentations with audiovisual programs. I also wanted very desperately to actually come and talk to you, but then that was ruled out because of these swine flu issues and lack of meetings. Also, because I was left with very little time. I came only on Thursday morning, and I really didn't have time. I really wish I had the opportunity to talk to you and maybe have my teachers there to tell me how far I have been successful as a student, as their student. So I am giving 2 books which I have written to my alma mater, this school. I request the principal to kindly put it in the library, and I do hope a few students read it. My email ID is included in the book, so if any one of you want to contact me on any aspect, you're always welcome.
For teachers of the Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, ex-students of Kendriya Vidyalaya Tirupati number 1, another guest. 1965, those who joined as teachers and non-teaching staff